They probably get the idea. Here comes Big Yellow. Oh, well, okay. Oh, no, you. Yeah. Woo! Well, here comes another. And that was a great time to go trucks. A very, very good time. Wow. What a dummy. Wow. Done. Hey folks, it's me again. Yet again. For like, I don't know, the 100th time. As you can tell, I'm getting touched to honk. I hope you like, subscribe, and post notifications and share my videos like you do always. As you can tell, that yellow truck honked. Let's see if I could get any more. And there's any more coming at the moment. Don't see any more at the moment. I'm pretty sure that there's some coming, but oh yep, speaker with the devil's name. Here comes one. Speaker with devil's name. Speak of the devil's name itself. Okay. Yeah! That's better. I like those type of horns from the Nationals. I'm probably gonna see you guys down the road at least, I think. Hopefully I'll catch you guys up again when I go down to 81 again someday. In a few minutes, hopefully. Oh god, that was a smoky one. God, that was a smoky truck. Yeah, God, I thought it was a bit of a smoker. Especially for a mech. All model. That's an all model. Well, shortly after, here comes a Peterbilt parking lot. Here comes a Walden parking lot. He's definitely probably gonna go pick up a couple of cars. I think. I think that wasn't me not thinking, but who cares? At least I got him. Haha. Woo! That's a good. Honestly, I am liking that green and black tone. I am absolutely liking it. This company did choose a good color scheme for that truck. They really did. I can design it better myself. Oh, pardon. Find a nail. That's not good. We shall put this so nobody will get the top out. I don't know where I should put it. I don't know. But this is definitely a danger hazard. It's definitely a car hazard 2 times. I don't feel like having anybody to get a flat tire on this beautiful day. Cold but beautiful day. I just don't want to get a flat and ruin their day, so I don't know. I don't see the truck set, so I'm gonna put this nail in this bush. Good enough. It's on the dirt, so it won't bother anybody. Oh, another truck. And he's coming down this way too. Another international. Coo. Hopefully this international will honk too. Yeah. That's another good one. Haha. Yeah. Yeah. A Peterbilt and 2 internationals. Not bad. Oh, but good. Actually, 2 Peterbilts and 2 internationals. Yay. Cool. That was good. That was very, very good. Get out of here, you. Nobody likes you. Concerning you don't have an actual truck horn. You have a car horn. Get out of here with that piece of junk. Yeah, get that thing out of here. Don't see any trucks yet. But I'm sure that they're coming. I'm pretty sure they're going to notice a lot of wind crackling because it is a bit windy. Is that seriously another truck? Wait, is it? No. No, it's not. It's a van. box truck, but car body. Oh well. I'm sure there's another semi coming one of these days. No. No one. Someone. Yeah, somebody's coming. A very, very large truck. Looks like a Volvo. To me, at least. Well, I know it looks like a Volvo, but it could be something else. Yeah, that is a Volvo. VNL. And it's a Volvo. Just don't even honk. Whatever. I'm sure there's gonna be another truck coming down this way. I'm sure. I'm sure of it. Yeah, I'm sure there's gonna be more trucks coming. I'm just sure of it. I'm sure there's gonna be one coming over that hill, one of these. Not that hill. Behind me. Nothing in front of me. Something to try to get this guy behind me. The honk. And he's also another Volvo. If one honk, maybe the second one will. And he's in the lane closest to me. Yep. That's it. Another one. This time coming from that direction. Coming from the direction behind me. Cool. That is good. Yeah, that's good. And I'm sure there's gonna be another one coming. Sooner or later. No, it's not a truck, it's a pickup. No, it's not a regular camper. The one with the air horns, it's just a pickup truck carrying a camper. Huh. I don't think that's a truck, I think that's just a bus in the rain. Yeah, that's a bus. He decided not to get in that lane. He decided to leave that lane and come up this way. For some reason. But I'm not asking. No, that's another U-Haul, I think. Yeah, that was another U-Haul. Get that out of here. Oh, you do have an air horn. Dang it! Oh well. I did not realize that you did. Oh well. Get that out of here. Two trucks. Two of them. And behind one another. Cool. 2 in 1. A Volvo and a, looks like I think that's another Volvo. 2 Volvos. Yep, 2 Volvos. Is it one or both of them? Or not? Who knows? Maybe both of them. Nope. Wow, none of them? Good. Okay. Boasting or not. I was afraid of that. Oh well. Yeah, I was afraid of that. Yep. I don't think that you're meant to do that. Turn around in the middle of Beachy Street. I don't think you were supposed to do that. Oh, a truck. Yeah, a pickup truck with a very loud exhaust. And that's a really squawk. I think I see another one. Truck. I think I see another truck coming down this way. No truck. No well. And this is just a regular old bus. Just a plain white bus. Just turned out that direction for some reason. But like I said, I'm not gonna ask. Okay, just a lot of cars and just grab my money to win. Nothing that way. And nothing. And nothing down that way. And nothing this way. There's not gonna be a truck in the next 2 minutes. I'm head on inside. Yeah. Nothing that way. And nothing this way. No. And no. I'm head on in. I'll see you guys later. Bye.